guys, I'm Kogindran. Today I'm making a tutorial about digital measurement with only using 4 components. First, Arduino Uno. Second, jumper wires. Third, LCD module. Fourth, ultrasonic sensor. That's all we need and we are good to go. Let's start with the connection of the ultrasonic sensor. First, connect the ultrasonic to the breadboard. Then connect 4 wires. The VCC goes to VCC in the breadboard. The ground goes to ground in the breadboard. Then connect the echo pin in digital pin 3. Then connect the trigger pin in digital pin 2. Now let's see the LCD connection. LCD, connect the GND to GND in the breadboard. Connect the VCC to VCC in the breadboard. Connect the SCL to SCL and SDA to SDA. That's all for the connection. Now let's go to the code. I put a link of this code in the description and a link of this library too. If you don't have this library, you must download the library from there. Connect the USB cable to Arduino, then upload the code.